simple. No access at all because of the double wall. Can't. That's this. Look at that. All right, so what I've done here on this GMC Terrain or Acadia is put a rectangular crease tab, the gangrene, the gangrene ones. Take a look at it. We're gonna hope that this pulls a large portion of that dent up, and then we can tool the rest. Yeah, I mean, it's just an ugly dent. And what I'm going to do to pull this, I'm going to use the Kiko K-bar to get some good leverage and pull it out. Okay, so we gave it a little tug with the K-bar. Didn't pull too hard. And you can see a large portion of it came out. So what I'm going to do now is use the K-bar to leverage and simultaneously pull and release these crowns by tapping them down. Clean this off. See what we're looking like. Wow. Zoom in on that for you. I mean, a lot of it came out right there. Okay, that's just the first pull. Holy smokes. Let's release some of that pressure. reason why I open the doors allows me to get in here, get at a tighter angle to see what I'm doing. As I tap this crown, it brings this up, which is a good thing. So I have the stem of the tab just slightly above the body line. I want it to pull on that body line, but not too far. I really want the body line to come up. The body line comes up, everything comes up. I'm gonna use a slide hammer on this one. Some more pressure. Bring my light in so I can see it. Put the light on it so you can see. Yep, it's pretty nasty still. any crease tab. I don't know how this is going to work. It probably won't. Probably won't do anything. Be nice to be able to put a hole in that door or in the quarter panel. Yep, just what I thought. Nothing. I hate those stupid tabs on those kind of panels. Nothing. Okay, extremely hot out here. I'm sweating my balls off. I was able to get access to the back side of this dent after I initially glue pulled the majority of it out, and I was able to get the body line up, which very quickly, might I add. This metal moves extremely well. So I'm going to show you what I did, and hopefully this helps you guys. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the dent. How much we got out. I mean, that was after like 10 seconds of pushing. I'm an over pusher. That's my technique. I like to over push, but I got to still get those lows out, and this dent will be gone. Yeah, I'm very excited about it. Very excited. So let's get into show you what I'm talking about. So this is the splash shield. Boom. 3/4 inch hole right there. Yep, and that's how we were able to get it access. What I did, I used this double bend dent craft with a cherry tip, and instead of pushing, I'm just twisting it, doing a twist action to get the dent out. And what I did, I informed the dealership here. I said, hey, listen, can't take the tail light out because there's no access through the tail light. Took the gas lid out, there was no access through there. Took the interior trim panel out, no access through there. Either drill a hole from the bottom or drill a hole inside the door jamb. And they agreed to, they called the customer. 5 minutes later, they said, yeah, they agreed to drill a hole in the door jamb. So I'm going through the wheel well first. That way, if we can get this out, which I'm pretty confident we will, we won't have to put a hole in the door jamb, which I did not want to do. But it's looking very good, and I'm very excited about this repair. This metal is extremely easy to maneuver, and I just can't be any happier with the way it's looking right now. It's got all the natural reflection. I mean, you can see there's still some crowning at the bottom down there, but we're going to tap that out. We're going to get this dent looking really good. Okay, we have it about 90% repair complete. Take a look at this bad boy. Looks good. Although we're not finished with it, this is about 90%. Clean up those low spots and high spots, sand and polish it, and be on their merry little way. You see a little bit of ripple right there, not much. No distortion in the metallics at all, none. See those little dots right there in the middle? Like, I couldn't even get a tool on that at all, unfortunately. You can see it. Look at that traffic cone in the background. Very straight. You can see those letters very well. Very straight. It's not 100%, but it's like 99%. Way better than painting this entire panel. Way better.